Okay, hello. We have some bread out. Let's see if any of the birds come to get to it. Let's take a look right now. We got the bread here. The birds are on the other side. On the other side over there. Oh, here they come. Here they come, here they come. They'll be discovering any minute if there's some bread over here. Here they go. Here they go, here they go. It's a good breakfast, good lunch. Thank God, they've got something. Baruch Hashem, they got something to eat now. There they go.